I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start playing YouTube without keeping the screen on. First, sign into your account and open the video you want. If you have YouTube Premium, enable background play now. That removes the biggest limitation. Once done, either copy the video link or add it to a playlist for quick access. Make sure your device allows background app refresh and audio permissions so playback can continue when the screen locks. This gets everything ready for off-screen playback. Next, execute the steps that keep audio playing when you leave the YouTube app. If you have Premium, press play and simply lock the screen or switch apps. Controls appear in the notification shade. If not, open YouTube. In a browser, request the desktop site, start playback, then switch apps or lock the device. Audio persists in many browsers. You can also enable picture-in-picture or use a trusted third-party player that supports background audio. To finish, control playback from the notification or lock screen. Pause, skip, or scrub without reopening YouTube. If audio stops when you lock the device, check battery saver, app background restrictions, and audio permissions. These commonly block off screenplay. Once you've verified settings, try closing and reopening the app. If problems persist, reboot the device or reinstall YouTube. Finally, confirm your YouTube Premium status. If you expect background play, payments, or account limits, can disable that feature and explain unexpected interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.